Good morning, my dear students. My name is Rahman. Welcome to e-commerce zone. As you know very well, today I am going to teach you one of the most important topics in English literature. Do you know very well? This is also called silent letter in English. So I have written A to Z and day 4. And before going to start, I would like to say something about e-commerce zone. Kindly do share and subscribe and confirm comment it whatever you are going to watch and whatever you have watched. So in this channel you get accountancy, BMT and economics and English videos free of cost. So without being delay, before I am going to start again, kindly go to playlist and there is lots of playlist and subject over there. You can get maximum videos. Now see day 4. Before day 4, today you will watch day 4 and before it kindly do watch previous video. P letter, if a word begins with PN or PT, this is the most important things, PT or PA, PN or PT. Suppose here is pneumatic using related to AR, it means, okay, meaning I have written this is meaning, okay. Now pneumatic, so here is P is silent. Again pneumonia, this is lack of blood, a type of disease. Here is pneumonia, so don't say pneumonia, it's a pneumonia. Here is pterodactyl, that means extinct flying reptile, not pterodactyl, okay. Here is P is silent. Now next common random words, cow, don't say coop, cow. Now cupboard, don't say cupboard, it is a cupboard. Raspberry, here is raspberry, P is silent. Receipt, P is silent. Next R letter, British English silent if followed by a consonant or at the end of a word. Now see British English and American English, I have that means bifurcated this one. For English, here is FORK. So in British English don't pronounce R. Folk, like that folk. Here is folk, so don't say fork, it's a fork. Now here is a start, don't say a start, British English a start. And here is a star, don't say a star. And teacher, don't say teacher, it's a teacher, okay. Don't pronounce R, so R is hidden in this condition. Now American English, where is British English folk and American English fork. FORK, fork, so fork. START, a start, not a start. STAR, a star, not a star. TESS, teacher, don't say like this, teacher is a teacher, okay. Now see fork, here American English you will pronounce fully fork, a start, a star and teacher, okay. So here in this condition there is no silent letter R, okay. Now next goes to next we come to the point, or next we see S letter. There is no real rules for S letter, but random words I have written. Here is aisle, here is bourgeois, that is called capitalist. Capitalist, that means one who owns, that means capital. Now debris, not debris. Debris means dust. Debris means dust. But here is S is silent. Island. Don't say island, Iceland. It's island. And here is isle. Isle, short word of island. That is called isle. And again another word, AISLE, isle. AISLE, isle. So here is S is silent, that means isle. So what is that, what is the meaning of isle? Just I am going to tell you. Suppose this is a bus, and there is seat, okay, there is seat. So this narrow space and there is narrow space, and this is called AISLE, aisle, And aeroplane side, there are two type of seats, window side and aisle side. So this called the aisle seat, and this called is window seat, okay. So aisle, that is narrow place space, is called aisle. So now next see T letter before CH. Suppose catch, so here is T is silent. Sketch, T is silent. Stitch, so T is silent. Watch, T is silent. Which, T is silent. Which means magician ja. You can say enchantress. Now E forward ends in STEN. This is the important term, STEN. So Christian, don't say Christian, it's a Christian. Fasten, don't say fasten, it's a listen. Don't say listen, it's a listen. Listen to me carefully. Now, if a word ends in STLE, this is also important things. Castle, palace, hustle, here T silent, whistle. This is called whistle, that is called T silent. Now, French words that end in ET, okay? Now, ballet paper, do you know ballet paper? Where you cast board, ballet paper. So, here is ballet. Don't say ballet, it's a ballet. T is understood. Here is buffet. Don't say buffet. So, buffet means knock about. And here is gourmet. Don't say gourmet. That is called foodie. And most of the time we pronounce ballet, buffet, gourmet. We pronounce ballet, buffet and gourmet. Most of the time we are the responsible for this, okay? But it exact pronunciation ballet, buffet, gourmet. Now common random words, a type of disease, it also called in Hindi asthma, but it's asthma, asthma. Don't say asthma. So here is T is silent. And Christmas, here is T is silent. Mortgage, this is the most important word I am going to strike out. Okay, so this is star word. So mortgage, that means property. That means in case you are going to take loan from bank, you have to give something, that is called mortgage. Suppose that gold, silver and property, that is called mortgage. So here is mortgage. So T is silent. Spelling is very important of mortgage. And soften, T is silent, and often T is silent. So already I have explained up to that is called T letters, and next just I am going to tell you next letter, okay? U letter often after a G and before a vowel. So here is U letter is understood or hidden, that means first word is colleague. So here is U is silent, but you have to write down U, okay? Otherwise it may be wrong or it must be wrong. And now see next, guard, not guard, it's a guard. So here is G-U-A-R-D, guard. So U is silent. Guest, U is silent. Guide, U is silent. Guitar, U is silent. So before a vowel, so vowel is I, here is U. Vowel is E, here is U. Vowel is A, here is U. Vowel is E, U, I, U. And after G, so here is G, 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 G. So both condition it is 100% correct. Now W letter, if a word begins with WR, okay? WR. Here is rap. Getting me? Rap. So rap, that means you have to, there is a bundle, you have to wrap out. That is you have to make it bundle. So here is, but one rap, another meaning is rap song, pop song, rap song. And a wrinkle, skins is getting a wrinkling, that is called wrinkle. That means wrinkle. When you are growing old, it means you see your grandfather, your grandmother, there is now see, it is also called SHRINK, shrink, Now next, wrist, this is called wrist, and right, some to make it note down. Here is wrong, that means it's called wrong. This is called right and this is called wrong. Now often if a word begins with WHO, so who, don't say who, here is who, whoever, whole. Common random words, answer, W is silent, sword, W is silent, to, W is silent, okay? Now next see, X letter, there aren't many words with a silent X, but one word, very important word, for. Its a pronunciation is, for. For. That means fake or not real. It is also called ersatz. That means duplicate. Duplicate, you can't say duplicate, but fake, bogus. Here is Y letter. It's a very rarely silent. But I have written two words. Prayer, Y silent. Mayor, Y silent. But both condition, mayor can be pronounced same. Mayor and mayor both are right. It is also called. It's also right. Now Z letter. There aren't many words with Z silent, but I have written two famous words, a star, triple star, and also this is very important, word. So first word is called laissez-faire. Here is J is silent. Laissez-faire, that means individualistic. You can say individualistic, where a trader can trade freely in a particular place or in a country. That is called freedom in commerce. That is called laissez-faire. Okay, that means flexibility of rules and regulation. Now rendezvous, rendezvous, that means here is a place where people meet. That is called rendezvous. Rendezvous. So here is very important words I have mentioned, and I have explained. So before going to, just I am going to clear it, summing up, I would like to say, kindly do like our video and do share our video to your friends, families and friend circles, so that they can access our latest videos. Apart from this video, they can access, or you can access, commerce, account, or economics and BMT. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Kindly watch our next video. Please don't go anywhere.